Another aspect of lighting that's an important factor when talking to clients and for clients to understand is service after the sale. If we have a system that's 20 to 150 lights, it could fall anywhere in there, there's gonna be something that happens. Over the next 10 to 12 years, we could have a lawnmower hit a FedEx truck drive over something. There's always something that can happen, a wire get cut. So what we want to make sure the customer understands is who's taking care of that system down the road. And a huge value for my clients is I tell them, if you ever have a problem, give me a call. We're gonna have somebody out within 48 hours to take care of your system. And I meet customers all the time, and what I see happen is they have a system that installed by somebody for less, but then they become an expert in landscape lighting. They're sourcing where to get lamps, they're sourcing how and watching videos on how to fix cut wires, how to move a lamp or a fixture, luminaire, when a tree dies and they're trying to move it around, and they're actually involved in doing a lot of the design themselves. So having somebody and a company to work with, a professional company that offers service, is something that's gonna make certain that that system is maintained, that it's taken care of, and that that investment will pay dividends for many, many years because it's just gonna last a lot longer.